Again, there will be 4 cases formed. 2 cases for this mod. X plus 3 is greater than 0. This mod will open with a positive sign in front. X plus 3 is less than 0. This mod will open with a negative sign in front. Okay. Then 2 cases for this modulus. X plus 7 is greater than 0. Mod will open with a positive sign. X plus 7 is less than 0. Mod will open with a negative sign. And we can simplify these 4 cases by drawing the number line, and we can reduce these cases to 3. So this is the number line. The critical points here are -7 and -3. Okay. So we have these 3 regions. We have 3 cases. Case 1, the condition is x greater than equal to -3. Case 2, the condition is x is greater than equal to -7 but less than -3. And case 3, the condition is x is less than -7. Now take this case 1 first. Here both x plus 3 and x plus 7 are positive in this region. So both these mods will open as it is. They will open directly with a plus sign in front. So we'll write our equation as 3 into x plus 3 minus this minus sign, x plus 7 is less than equal to 5. Solve this and we'll get x is less than or equal to 3 by 2. Take its intersection with this condition and we will get x belongs to -3 included to 3 by 2 included. Both are included as we have equal to sign here and equal to sign here. This is our solution 1. Okay. Now take case 2. In this region, we are towards the left of -3. So this bracket is negative. X plus 3, this term x plus 3 is negative. So this mod will open with a minus sign in front. And we are towards the right of -7. So x plus 7 is still positive. So this mod will open as it is. And our equation will become -3 x plus 3 minus x plus 7 is less than or equal to 5. Okay. This will give x is greater than or equal to -21 upon 4. This is our solution. Take its intersection with condition 2 and obtain the solution 2 as x belongs to -21 upon 4 comma -3. This 21 upon 4 is included as we have a equal to sign here. -3 is not included as we have less than sign only. Okay. Take case 3. We are towards the left of -7. Both these terms are negative. So both these mods will open with a minus sign. And we'll get minus of 3 into x plus 3 minus and minus plus x plus 7 is less than equal to 5. And this will give x is greater than or equal to -7 by 2. This is our answer. This is our solution. Take its intersection with this condition and you will realize that there are no common elements in both these ranges. Okay. So the intersection of these two regions will give a null set. X belongs to 5. This is our solution 3. This was our solution 2. And our final answer will be solution 1 union solution 2 union solution 3. That will be x belongs to -21 upon 4 comma -3 union -3 comma 3 by 2. This -3 is already included here. So we can club these two regions and write our final answer as x belongs to -21 upon 4 included to 3 by 2 included. So this was a short and sweet video on how to solve modulus questions. I hope you liked it. Get some practice by solving a few more questions. Next video is all about modulus properties and we will take some examples based on those properties. So stay tuned. Thank you.